Welcome aboard the GMS Podcast and your weekly compass through the shifting tides of global ship recycling. I'm Henning.
And I'm Ingrid. We bring you the headlines, highlights, and key market insights. Powered by GMS, the world's largest buyer of ships and offshore assets for recycling.
For full pricing charts, port positions, and regional rankings, check the complete GMS Weekly on our website or the GMS mobile app.
Oil tried to steady itself, edging up 0.2% to close at $63 a barrel. Despite fresh fighting in Ukraine rattling traders, freight markets held firmer. The Baltic Dry Index jumped nearly 2.7%, led by gains across Capes, Panamaxes, and even smaller vessels.
Currencies were mixed. India's rupee firmed to 87.33. Pakistan's rupee also strengthened at 283.15, while Bangladesh's taka slipped to 121.65. Steel told the real story. India climbed slightly to $436 a ton. Pakistan stayed flat at $622, and Bangladesh slumped again, stuck in the doldrums.
Now, let's head to the beaches.
Bangladesh is flatlining. No new arrivals, no deliveries, and no buyers for smaller units. Recycled steel is piling up unsold, the taka weakened, and fundamentals remain weak. Unless it's a large cape coming from the Far East, Chattogram is out of the running.
India is rattled but resilient. Sanctions drama and tariff threats hang heavy, but along remains the busiest and safest market. Nearly 140,000 LDT is now at anchor, including another LNG. Steel firmed, the rupee strengthened. And despite all the noise, India stays steady and secure.
Pakistan is in a void. Even with the best prices in the subcontinent, Gadani has little workable tonnage. Yards with DASR certificates are waiting for larger ships, while smaller units see no demand. Fundamentals are strong, steel at 622 and the rupee firmer, but supply is thin.
And in Turkey, more lira losses. The currency slid again, closing at 40.91, while new port restrictions on Israel-linked vessels may further cut Aliaga off from potential candidates. Yards remain idle with no new arrivals.
Here's the week's beach breakdown.
Bangladesh, lifeless, no buyers.
India, busy, resilient, still the safest bet.
Pakistan, strongest on price but starved of supply.
Turkey, lira down, restrictions up, and yards silent.
That wraps up this week's GMS Weekly Podcast.
For the full GMS Weekly with detailed pricing, tonnage tables, and port positions, subscribe on our website or download the GMS app.
And follow GMS on LinkedIn, X, Facebook, and Instagram for daily updates.
We'll be back next week with more markets, movement, and maritime insight.
Until then, stay sharp.
And stay safe.